And now moving on to some other stories that we are tracking very closely is where the Cauvery conflict continues to escalate, with protests now intensifying in Karnataka after the state's plea to halt water release to Tamil Nadu that was denied by the Supreme Court. While farmers continue to protest, other organizations have also planned to hit the streets today. The Supreme Court upheld the earlier orders of the Cauvery Water Management Authority and the Cauvery Water Regulation Committee, instructing Karnataka to release 5,000 cusecs of water to Tamil Nadu. Former Chief Minister B.S. Yadurappa and Basavaraj Bommai criticised the state government and urged it to file a review petition. Karnataka argues that it can't release water due to its own water scarcity caused by deficient monsoon rains. Earlier, Karnataka's leadership met with the Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, explaining their inability to comply with the release order. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar also sought Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention by convening a meeting of 4 states involved. In contrast, Tamil Nadu stands firm on the Supreme Court's verdict, ruling out negotiations with the Cauvery issue and asserting its right to its due share of water.
They know the requirements, they know the formula of usage in the regular year and the distress year. But somehow they are unable to do that. Tamil Nadu is asking 23, we will give 15. That will be reduced to 10. That is not the issue. The issue is what is the real required for Tamil Nadu and how much water they have, and what is the requirement of Karnataka, how much water we have. They have failed to recognize this. So I literally condemn the CWRC and CWMA approach toward this problem. Secondly, I also condemn the approach of the state government. Right from beginning, they could have gone to the Supreme Court.
D.K. Shivakumar is playing the vote bank politics and political cards based on Cauvery issue. He knows that his ally DMK will not do anything. They will remain quiet because DMK family has larger business interests in the state of Karnataka. So what has to happen is the court is the final authority. If not agreeing to Cauvery tribunal, that will amount to contempt and legal proceedings should be on Karnataka government.
My colleague Neha is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Neha, take us through what is going to be the next step that the Karnataka government is now contemplating. Clearly, nothing is going in their favour. The Supreme Court refuses to intervene and bring about any relief to Karnataka now.
Well, Samya, this sure seems like a slight setback here to both the states of Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu. While on one hand, Karnataka has been asked to release more water to the state of Tamil Nadu, on the other hand, the state of Tamil Nadu, in fact, has not received the amount of water that they had initially thought from Karnataka. Now, as far as the entire situation going forward from here is concerned, it sure seems like both the governments, of course, would have to abide by the court order here, which clearly says that Karnataka has to release, a certain amount of cusecs of water to the state of Tamil Nadu. Now, also remember that the Supreme Court yesterday, too, while, of course, making those observations, went on to mention that the Cauvery Water Management Authority and the Cauvery Water Regulation Committee's decision would be final and binding, largely because the situation is being reviewed every 15 days. So for the time being, it sure seems that while there's not any immediate respite, of course, to the state of Karnataka as far as releasing the water is concerned, possibly, there, of course, could be some hope in the coming days is what the government is likely to bank on. We'll really have to wait to see how this pans out. But one thing that's quite certain is that on ground, Samya, the situation only continues to deteriorate with protests planned even today.
Well, absolutely, Neha, but I'll request you to kindly stay with us as we're getting some break.